today in the state of Florida, we say very simply, what passes muster in New York and California is not passing muster here.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis took decisive action by signing HB 621 into law on Wednesday, officially eliminating squatters' rights in the state. With this move, Florida becomes the only state to ban rights for squatters. Governor DeSantis stated, "We are putting an end to the squatter scam in Florida. While other states are siding with the squatters, we are protecting property owners and punishing criminals looking to game the system." This new law addresses the growing problem of squatting in different parts of the country and aims to discourage illegal activities.
We're here today because you assume in America, if you purchase a home and own a residence, that's your residence. That if you happen to maybe split time in Orlando and Michigan, that if you go to Michigan over the summer, people aren't going to be able to just move into your house and then claim squatters' rights on your private residence. And yet, in places like New York and California, that's exactly what's happening in this country. Homes are being invaded, and those states and their laws are not siding with the homeowners, they're siding with the squatters. In fact, we have seen squatters move in and claim residence. This forces a massive, long, drawn-out judicial review before they can even be removed from the property. These are people that never had a right to be in the property to begin with. Earlier this month in New York, a woman returned to a property she inherited to find squatters living there. She changed the locks to get them out, and the state of New York arrested her instead of the squatters. Just a few days ago, 2 squatters in New York City allegedly murdered the property owner when she confronted them for being in her apartment illegally. In fact, we even have illegal aliens taking to social media, instructing other foreigners how to come into this country and commandeer property. They have gotten involved in this. Well, today in the state of Florida, we say very simply, what passes muster in New York and California is not passing muster here. You are not going to be able to commandeer somebody's private property and expect to get away with it. We are in the state of Florida ending the squatter scam once and for all. What you can do now, if you're the victim of squatting, you can simply fill out a form, give it to your local sheriff, and the sheriff is instructed to go and remove the people who are inhabiting your dwelling illegally. And that will happen very quickly. And I can guarantee you, it's just like you saw, I think it was a couple months ago, there was a discussion about some of these theft rings that happen, a lot of them with illegal aliens, and how people will steal in New York. Sometimes they'll try to come to Florida to spend the money, but they don't steal in Florida. And the question was, well, why don't you steal in Florida? And they said, because you go to jail in Florida when you do that.
While this is certainly good news for property owners, you can't help but wonder, why did it take so long? Squatter laws have been around for centuries, tracing back to ancient legal systems. It will be intriguing to see if other states will follow Florida's lead, putting an end to this ever-growing nightmare.